Here in this tutorial, you will learn about the basics of project dashboard and sorting projects in SciNote. On the dashboard, you can see the projects of a certain team. You are able to switch between different teams' dashboards, but only to those of which you are a member. To change the dashboard from one team to another, click on the Global Team switch at the top in the upper left corner. Once you switch the team's dashboard, the projects of this other team will display. Next, you can simply sort the projects by clicking on the Sort By button and select one of the listed options from the drop-down menu. It depends on your preferences what you prefer: newest, oldest first, from A to Z, or from Z to A. That is all for this tutorial on project dashboard and sorting. If you would like to learn more about other SciNote features, we invite you to watch our other tutorials.